What's good, YouTube? This is Anthony Lyons with AL Designs, back with another video. This will be part one of this beauty in front of me here in my garage. Barely fits in the garage. This is a beautiful, beautiful 1940 Buick Roadmaster. Thank you, Todd, for giving me this. Give me your vehicle. Check this out. Pretty sweet, nice color. It's a tank. So, what are we doing to this thing? Well, we're gonna do some door panels, all new door panels. We're gonna do some kick panels. The kick panel is gonna have some speakers in there. I think we're going with some Rockfordfosgates. In the back, look at that, old school Sanyo. Look at that. That's coming out. I'm gonna build some quarter panels back here with some Rockfordfosgates, and then eventually you're gonna be subwoofers, trunk, a bunch of other goodies. So stay tuned. This is part one. See how I figure out how I'm going to do these door panels. They're big, huge. So let's see what I come up with from AL Designs. Stay tuned. And there we have it for part one of the Roadmaster. This is what I came up with the kick panels. We got two 6.5s and a tweeter on both sides. I tried to match the vinyl as I could with the seats, a little crimson color. The door panels are mocked up a little bit. We're gonna do some custom door panels here. It's starting to take shape. Got to make a cap over the top, do a little decorative pieces in there. As for the rear panels, they're gonna get these big guys here, 8-inch mid-range speakers. They're gonna go back here on the side quarter panels here. As you can see, I got some clips, some door clips to fit all around. Contour the door as best as I could. That's all in part one. Stay tuned for part two. Please like and subscribe as I continue and try to figure out what I'm gonna do with the rest of this old school classic. Stay tuned.